Welcome back to Autoscope. One of the most well-liked diesel RVs in its class is the Newmar Dutch Star 2026. Exterior. The entire motorhome structure is supported by a strong and durable base thanks to Newmar's renowned Star base construction. To ensure optimum strength and longevity, the walls and roof are constructed using the SuperStructure system, which is composed of fiberglass and aluminum. Double-glazed windows offer improved protection against heat and sound. Additionally, there is a side camera for agility, a power awning with LED lights, and plenty of outside storage with sliding doors. LED headlights, taillights, and fog lights improve visibility and give off a contemporary appearance. The entry door of the motorhome has an automated retractable ladder and a keypad. Interior. There is a leather sofa in the living room area that can be made into a bed, along with a chair and another sofa. Every piece of furniture is made using premium materials and is crafted for optimal comfort. There includes a Blu-ray DVD player, a Bose soundbar, and a huge LED TV. Electric or manual shades are installed on windows for privacy and light control. The kitchen has a huge refrigerator with freezer, a microwave convection oven, and a 2-burner induction cooktop. Plenty of storage space is offered by solid wood cabinets with soft closed doors. Additionally, there is a chic kitchen faucet and a stainless steel sink. The king-size bed in the master bedroom features a comfort air mattress that can be adjusted in firmness. The Allison 3000 mAh automatic transmission and engine provide enough power for both smooth highway cruising and hill climbing. In addition, the chassis boasts a Newmar independent front suspension and a Bendix air braking system, which offer outstanding stability and ride comfort. With the help of an easy-to-use touch panel or a smartphone app, customers of this motorhome may operate a number of features thanks to Newmar's electronic control system. The Dutch Star 2026 has a 2,800-watt inverter system, an 8.0 kilowatts Onan diesel generator, and many strong house batteries.